Today guys, we're making chicken garlic balls and homemade french fries. Check out the drip. Oh. And that crunch. Let's do it. First you want to cut your potatoes. Next we're going to put them in some water. And we're going to leave that for 15 minutes just to get rid of all the starch. Next we want to get some oil on. Next we're going to make our garlic butter. Start with a bowl, some parsley, chop it nice and finely. Next we're going to add a shitload of garlic. I used the whole head, use as much as you like. It's going to make your breath bad, but it's going to be worth it. Gonna add some pepper, some salt, some rosemary. Next we're going to add our butter. Make sure it's nice and soft so you can mix it in together. My hand was easier. It warmed up the butter a little bit and helped work it into this kind of paste. Next step, you want to get a baking tray, line it with some paper, and we are going to put this butter into the freezer just for a little bit so it goes hard again. You want to spread it out nice and evenly. So we're just going to slide it into the freezer for 15 minutes so it gets nice and hard. That way we're going to cut it up and we're going to put it into the chicken. Next move, we're going to drain our chips. And now we need to dry the chips because water and oil don't mix. Put paper towel on top as well, and this is going to help them get really nice and crispy. So now you've got them all ready, nice and dry. They're ready to go in for their first cook. So while we're waiting for the chips to cook, we got chicken mince here, some pepper, more garlic, onion powder, salt, and give them a mix. I opted to use my hands again this time. It's faster, easier. Best tool in the kitchen is your hand. And what we're going to do is we're going to make some little balls. Next we're going to need flour, some eggs, beaten. It's a double yolk! What the hell? Whoa! Can we go 3 from 3? Oh, what? Next, some breadcrumbs. It's gonna be a quick process this, and I assure you it's gonna be worth it. Next, we can check out our butter. It should be nice and hard. And we should be able to slice it up a little bit now. So I should be able to get it into a ball, and we're gonna put it inside the chicken. Make sure it's well covered up. You want to make sure it stays in there and doesn't leak out. We're gonna put it straight into the flour, into our egg, and into our breadcrumb. And we should have a beautiful looking chicken ball, just like this. Let's make the rest. Chips are starting to look nice and brown now, so I'm gonna take them out, let them cool down just over here, and then we're gonna cook our chicken as well. And then to finish it off, we'll finish the chips at a higher heat. They should be nice and beautifully crispy. Right, I've got our chicken balls all breadcrumbs up. I'm not gonna tell you how long that took me, but it was all for you. And let's cook these bad boys. Put the chips back in. Just waiting for them to get nice and crispy. So good. These are like a staple at the local drunk station. The place where people go after they're drunk and they need food. Chicken garlic balls and chips. Check out the crunch as well. I'm never eating another garlic ball ever again. The best drunk food ever.